And I have a solve a Leetcode 230 Kth smallest element in a binary search tree. So binary search tree is a type of tree for every node BR the left side no is a chance node no, and the right side no is also chance node no, right? And if you have a solve question, we say validate binary search tree. No no share a question I will bet you more, but binary search tree no left side no so the parent node no, the right side no so I will say you can see a parent node no. It's the same thing when I say, but almost see you're returning the kth smallest element, right? In the binary search tree, so my binary search tree which is a binary search tree example here. Alright, one binary search tree example which is a ABR. Which is a 4 2 1 3 and a 5, right? Into binary search tree. Binary search tree, mama BCC, I say 5 way, I say switch and 4 way, and at the all left behind as well, say switching way. The same thing that I say, right? Into you say 3 no, I switching way, and I 1 to 10 way, right? And binary tree traversal behind so no, right? Binary you have 2 types of binary tree traversal, right? You're back with any BFS, and you're back with any BFS, right? BFS and say you be call level by level, right? You call 1, you call 2, you call 3, right? You call 4, 5, right? And no BFS no. But DFS is how about your friend DFS and BFS need DFS. DFS search in the kwani abasi, right? The kwani abasi na you have start if you see near call so, right? But even with DFS no, DFS search no, you will other ones your friend in order traversal, in order you will pre-order, and you will post order traversal, right? In the way all types of traversal are in pre-order traversal no, right? Pre-order no kind node wave, kind node no first, no kind left, no kind right, no kind left, no kind right, right? It will ever say pa can we near kind way, near kind way, near sunny have a kind way, right? And in order no. So let me give a quick example. You can say right in order near 1, 2, 3, right? Pre-order number 1, 2, 3, and a post order number 1, 2, 3, right? It's in order, pre-order, and a post order, right? Say what the two chima say na when but person kasa bebre, it's just read about pre-order, in order, pre-order, and a post order, right? Traversal. Read about them. But that question when you see you in order traversal, right? In order ni uba no we start if you say no 1. Second one we 2. Because I have binary search training, the way especially one of the key reasons is because binary search no, I already sorted in some way, shape, or form. Sorted that because 4 way they switching 4 say, they switching 4 say, 2 way so they switching the left, they switching the right. And in order traversal no, so started free left. No wa basro say, and some wa form say. We and some was control say, and some wa for say. It technically in order traversal no, a kind from the lowest to your friend saying the maximum. Into your start here if you say 1, about 2, about 3, about 4, about 5, right? Sana in order traversal no be. Into your share example here, in order traversal no start to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, sana be I say. We so in order traversal no because you be kind left in the first. Start to free left first. 1, 2, 3, and sana over 4, right? Into see in order traversal ye de benya ye drew ye kind ye drew k number na penny stop it, right? Into sana ye de solve in order traversal we in ye de find the k smallest element, right? Into yenko na yenko share the way implementing, right? Into first, right? If your results no and be here set result as none, right? Now you define in order traversal. In order traversal, right? Left first, near kind node no, and near kind your friend saying right. Into in order traversal node, right? Into if not node or say results no, say any nana, say any results via or results is not none or not return. Okay. And the first thing, next thing I say yen kind yen free in order, right? Yen free in order, right? It's a free in order traversal. In order no dot left. T recursion, right? Your friend view. Now feed here. That's free in order. Node dot right. Right? Into in order traversal no kind way first, no can way. Into see and I will say kind value, right? Because middle one and then the value just here print here and can you print it and can another printing value, right? But see answer your free results I will say, right? But yes. Into your printed value in can value in can be say your return node dot val, right? Because left in order traversal left no about say and no right? Into the same thing we a shell of in order traversal, right? But you perceive printing the Kth smallest number into your free k say into anytime be draw say be an k minus 1, right? Now say if k about be equal to 0 because now I say you decrease anytime you ever print be a decrease, right? Say k be equal to 0, right? After the results be equal to node dot val, right? Now for they are returning. Right. The only time I ever print it results value no any say your friend say k about be 0 because anytime be you draw be say k value no you reduce k value no by 1, right? You reduce k value by 1 and never mind you're returning no. The next thing is where I was here and say because a function way your fair parameter way out of the function into a say a non-local variable, right? Into non-local results and I have free case where case any local to this function here non-local k. Okay. See the next thing I ever say and say since here you try a function, alright. We in order function now. Yeah, different way no. Okay. Right. In order function a different way. To see in free function with root, right? So in order root if you are near returning results, because results will only return when k is 0, your results no equal to node value in the end. Alright, it is say, and now they print the lowest or the kth smallest value, right, in a binary search tree. Okay. Thanks for watching. Search tree. Bye bye.